Welcome to another episode with me. So I'm going to be showing us how to quickly make a lemonade. This is a very healthy method to what you normally will find using syrups and all. So what you would need is a juicer. You would need some lemon. You would need lime. You would need mint leaves. You need ice cubes. You would need water that has been warmed, and you dissolve some honey. Rinse your mint leaves. So I just finished rinsing mine. Then next you need to pluck it off the stalk. So depending on you and your preference, you will know how many you need. But for me, this is fine. So first, you can put it in here. Yeah. Then your lemon. So I chopped up my lemon and I'm putting it in my cup. If you like, you can press beans and everything. So that's done. Next steps, you need ice cubes. I love my ice cubes, and from the first video I did, I also mentioned that I love ice cubes. So I love my ice cubes. So once I'm done with that, I'm gonna cut up my lemon because I want to make like a design on the cup, like this, like so. Okay. But that will be like my finishing touch. But first I'm gonna have to pour my honey water into the cup that has a bit of lemon and lime. I don't want to do it here because it's gonna be messy, so I'll take it over to the sink, pour it in and come back. So now I have my cup that is mixed with lemon, lime, honey and water. And then I put in some mint leaves, chopped some lemon into them. You have some ice cubes, and now all you have to do is, if you like, you can decorate it like a lemon there, and then a straw to enjoy it. As we can see, lemonades are perfect. It's a nice way to start up spring and summer, and I hope you enjoyed this drink. It's really nice, it's sweet, but not necessarily going to do a lot of sugar, and in this season you can make a very big jar for the family. Stay blessed and enjoy your lemonade.